Welcome to my first ever solo backpacking trip. In this video, I'm gonna be hiking, enjoying some of nature's beauty, and sleeping under a tarp, hopefully trying to stay dry in the rain, and I'm taking you guys along with me for the ride. Here we go. For this trip, I'm using this foldable hiking stick. Here's how it works. Unfold it, hold this down to tighten it, pull it all the way until you hear the click. And there you go, it's all ready. It actually just stopped pouring, so I'm gonna try and hurry out to my camping location before the next rainfall. I have come to a split in the trail. I could either go left or right. I'm not sure which trail to take, so I'm just gonna choose one. I've made up my mind, I'm gonna go left. Well, did I make the right decision? Beautiful scenery. Well, it looks like I've made it to the point where I split off from the main trail and go pitch my tarp that way. Well, it appears I've made it. Now let's set up camp. That should do it. That was a scary noise. All right, sleeping situation completed. Well, I came for a little evening hike and look at this view. Such a beautiful place. Well, I'm gonna head back to camp and cook some dinner. I will catch you there. Well, I'm all cozy in bed under my shelter, and now it's time for everyone's favorite, dinner time. I'm gonna be using my little alcohol stove. This is how the kit comes, and it's a pretty easy setup. This is what holds your fuel. Here is just some cookware. Take these, twist them together like that, and now that's your stand. Then you take your fuel, which is in this watertight container. And set it down in here. And then this piece right here is pretty cool. It acts as your heat control. Obviously this is no heat, like this would be a little, this would be max heat. And you set that right on top of the little fuel canister. This is your cooking grate, and that just goes right up here. And then you just light the fuel, put whatever you're cooking in here, and it would go right there. On tonight's menu, I've got some beef flavored rice. I guess I wrote the instructions on the bag in case I couldn't figure it out. Some assorted nuts, a protein bar, and some hot cocoa. Should be a good one. Let's get cooking. And now I have to, oh, look at that. There's measuring stuff on there. I didn't even realize that. Sweet. I was about to say I have to guess 11 ounces of water, but there's actually measuring units on the side of here. So I have to mix 11 ounces of water with all of this rice and then bring it to a boil. Isn't that looking yummy? That looks like a simmer to me. All right, it has been around 25 minutes. Time to try the beef rice. Really good. I'm gonna sit back, relax, and enjoy this hot meal. Well, that rice was very good, and I'm gonna finish it off with my dessert, peanut butter and dark chocolate protein bar. I'm going to scrap the idea of hot chocolate tonight because honestly I'm just tired and I do not feel like heating up the water, so I'm just gonna go to bed after I eat this. Oh, that was very good. A much needed sweet treat. Well, that was a very fun day. I am quite exhausted, so I'm just gonna head to sleep now. Good night. Good morning. It's raining pretty hard. It woke me up a little early. I think it's 6 a.m. Other than that, I slept pretty good. All my stuff's dry, so that's good. I'm gonna wake up a little bit and maybe have some tea. Well, I now have a little bit of daylight. It's supposed to rain the next couple of hours, so what better to do than make some tea?
Just like that, my tea is done. Looks amazing.
Cheers. Wonderful. Cheers. Well, that was a very fun trip, but it's time to get back to real life, so I'm gonna pack up and head on out of here. That is going to be all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this one as much as I did. Until next time.